I'm Doug Watkins and I work in an international initiative for the conservation of migratory water birds and their habitats called the East Asian Australasian Flyway Partnership, or EAAFP. The Ariake Sea in southern Japan is an internationally important site for these migratory water birds. This area is part of the East Asian Australasian Flyway, which encompasses 22 countries stretching from the Russian Far East and Alaska southwards through East Asia and Southeast Asia to Australia and New Zealand. This flyway is home to over 50 million migratory water birds of 210 species, and they are dependent on wetland habitats. Unfortunately, this flyway has the highest number of globally threatened water birds of any flyway in the world. Birds fly without borders, so we need collaboration across countries to conserve them. The EAAFP provides this international framework. The partnership was launched in 2006, is conserving migratory water birds, their habitats, and the ecosystem services these sites provide to local communities. Our 39 partners include national governments, intergovernmental agencies, NGOs and private enterprise, all working together towards the goals of the partnership. The Ariake Sea has very large tidal flats, including Higashi-yoka Higata, Aro-higata, Aizen Kashima Higata, recognised as internationally important sites and listed under the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands. These sites are also part of the EAAFP Flyway Site Network. During spring and autumn you can see magnificent flocks of up to 10,000 shorebirds. In winter you can find the endangered black-faced spoonbill and Saunders gull feeding on the tidal flats. The Ariake Sea tidal flats are located in a critical part of the flyway. Black-tailed godwits and many other shorebirds that overwinter in Australia and New Zealand are also found in the Ariake Sea tidal flats during migration in spring as they are heading to the Russian Far East to nest. During migration, these tidal flats and other key wetlands along the flyway are critical refueling stations for migratory water birds. In spring and autumn you can witness the fascinating sight of large flocks of shorebirds in the air interacting with each other. In Ariake Sea, you may be able to see Dunlins' aerial show as they simultaneously show their feathers and underbelly and shift directions in the air when taking flight. It's also interesting to see how evolution works for these water birds by watching them feed with different tactics. The variety of migratory water bird species will amaze you and fuel your curiosity about migratory birds. The Ariake Sea tidal flats is a perfect place to enjoy bird migration and to simply appreciate nature. I highly recommend you visit the Ariake Sea tidal flats. I look forward to my next visit.